What is up, everybody? Derek here from DW Designs, and welcome back to the channel. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you part of the DW Designs team. So, we got a lot going on today, guys. So with that, let's head to the intro. Okay, as you guys can probably see behind me, the Subaru is on the lift, and there just went a huge ass dog by me. Wow. I'm gonna have to go check on that, whose dog that is. But anyway, besides that, we got the Subi on the lift. We're going to pressure wash underneath the car because it is caked full of mud, dirt, and what else you can think of. And we don't want that because I don't know about you guys, but nothing aggravates me more than dirt falling in my eyes, in my face. That just irritates me. So we're gonna get all the mud and dirt off underneath the car as best as we possibly can with a pressure washer. And then we'll let it dry a little bit, and then we'll lower it and we'll start taking off the rear bumper. So that way we can start scoping out how we're gonna put this rear bumper together and make it awesome. Like I said, we're gonna do it. So, all right, guys, with that, let's get into pressure washing. Okay, guys, it has been a minute, more like a couple hours since the last clip there. And sorry I didn't get it on footage of me taking the rear bumper off of the Subaru. I was kind of in a hurry to get it off because kind of had, I wouldn't necessarily call it a emergency job, but more of a needed to be done right now kind of thing. It was for a wheelchair. I had to machine something, a little part to hold like the part that holds your feet. I forget what they call those, but anyway, so I had to do that to get that out of the way. There's a short clip of it down in my YouTube shorts. I took video on my phone of me milling an octagon. So yeah, I apologize about that, guys, which means this video is going to be really short because right now it is really hot out. It's like 110 here or something stupid like that. So I have to unfortunately get the torch out. I'll show you why in a second, but Here's the rear bumper. It is all, plastics are all gone. I gotta get this piece off so that way I can use these mounting plates here. I'm gonna make my own plates this time, thicker and heavier, to go right there, instead of utilizing these original ones like I did on the front bumper. The reason why that I need a torch is because if you look right here, there you go, now you can see it. There's the nut right there, it's welded on the back there with a bolt going through it on this side. And what this stuff is here is rubber, and it's not allowing me to back the bolts out. So I have to get a torch in here and torch that all out and scrape it off with a scraper and make sure it is all clean before I back the bolts out, because I want to reuse the bolts. I don't want to have to get new ones if we don't have to. So we're going to try and save them, as well as it'll save the nuts too that are welded on there, so that way they don't get stripped and then we have to replace that too, and then that'll be even more unnecessary work. All I'm trying to do is create unnecessary work that doesn't need to be done if we can prevent it from happening. So that's what we're gonna do first thing in the morning when it's really cool out, so that way it's not terribly hot. So, because I can't handle much more of this today. You guys can call me a wimp all you want, but when you work all day in a heat like this and don't have any air conditioning, you understand how I feel then. I know it's dark in here real quick, but I'm taking you down here to see the Bronco because I managed to get something else in today for the Bronco. Not the lights, the light covers. I am ready to get the light covers and they still are not here yet. Here's the back bumper off of the Subaru. Let me go into detail about that real quick. So as you guys can see here, probably right there are these little sensors. If you flip it over on the back side, there's all the sensors. We're going to try to incorporate those in my bumper. I said try. Most of the time we'll succeed, but I always say try because you just never know what's gonna happen. So stay tuned for that, guys, because I think that's gonna be very impressive to have those in a custom fabricated bumper. So I don't think it's been done yet. I think people usually just remove them. So we're gonna try and save them. So moment of truth. And pop the hood here. And as you guys can see, I got the overflow in now. It only took me 5 minutes to put on. So that is on now. Now all we're waiting on is light covers. Then it's done. It can go home. So literally nothing else to do. So I'm happy, and basically it's complete now, ready to go home. And then tomorrow, full gas ahead on the Subaru, getting that rear piece undone. And then we'll get some CAD drawings going tomorrow as well for the rear bumper. And we'll start designing and making it the way that we want to make it. So, all right, guys. Well, sorry today's a boring episode. There ain't much to it today. But thanks for watching. If you guys are watching all the way here to the end, if I didn't bore you to death. But thanks for joining me again, like I said. And I will see you guys tomorrow.